Hello pa! Dito talaga po ako nagpa-video sa labas kasi tingnan mo, umulan kasi ng snow eh. Actually pa, never thought na makaka-witness ako sa pag-ulan ng snow. Hindi ko akalain na mararanasan ko pala yung 4 seasons, winter, spring, summer, and fall dito sa Japan. Hindi ko akalain na makakapasyal pala ako sa Tokyo Disneyland with Ao. And most especially, hindi ko akalain na darating pala yung time si Aidan makakarating din dito, maipapasyal namin, gano'n. At lahat pa, sa lahat ng in-enjoy namin. Actually, dahil yun sa'yo eh. Kasi, ikaw yung nag-push sa amin to aim high, to always aim high. Kaya nandito kami ngayon, kung ano man yung meron kami, we owe it from you. Kung sa ipagpapasalamat pa, so many things na dapat namin ipagpasalamat sa'yo. Ako na lang. Siguro, simula pa lang, naging mag-asawa kami ni Ao. Nagkaroon uli ako ng tatay. Naiyak ako. I thank God dahil ikaw yun kasi what more can I ask for? Super supportive, loving, caring, God-fearing, and most of all, ang gwapo. Akala ko nga magpo-45 pa lang si Papa, 60 na pala. And, syempre, dahil gwapo yung ganan ko, thank you po pa kasi nagkaroon ako ng gwapong asawa. Pero, actually pa gusto kitang i-congratulate, pati si Mama. Alam mo pa, successful father ka eh. Kasi, nagkaroon ka ng mabubuting anak. If I'm going to talk about Ao, my husband, I may say, or I can say that dahil sa disiplina tinuro mo, sa mga values, sa guidance, nagkaroon ako ng mabuting asawa. Good husband and a good father to my son. And sabi nga eh, it runs in the blood. Kaya, of course, thank you pa kasi nagkaroon ako ng poging anak. And thank you very much pa for taking care of Aidan. I know as he grew up, he can be a good person as well. Kasi nandyan ka to guide him. Marami akong gusto sabihin pa, pero to sum up, thank you po for everything. We might not often say that we love you, but we do pa. We love you so much and we really appreciate all the things that you did and what you are doing for us. Happy 60th birthday po. And we're not just wishing, but we are praying for your good health and many more birthdays to come. If it's possible for another 60 years, we're gonna ask for it. Pero sa ngayon po, enjoy life and continue doing all those things that keeps your sanity. Sa lahat po ng dumalo, sa lahat po ng mga friends and relatives, kahit pa absent kami, nandyan kayo para ipakita yung support na nyo, yung pagmamahal nyo sa mahal namin si Daddy Nonong. Thank you very much po. Kahit absent kami, in our hearts and in our mind, nandyan po kami at nakikisaya. Pa, omedito tanjobi, itsumo kyo tsukite ne. Watashi tachi wa anato wo aishite masu.